Here we are once again playing ball. There's the boy, relaxed. There's the ball, all waiting, all very calm. And there over in the distance is a very focused little girl, ready to pounce on the ball. Okay, so here we go. Ready? Go! And the girl is victorious.